Hi guys, this is Tony. I was trying to make a run on the previous train before when I was with my time. Yeah, but he sadly beat us, so sorry about that. Sorry everything else got you late last night as well. Check out this northbound. Boring. That's all hopper cars there. But nice horn toe. I don't mind that though. Gates rolling up. There goes that hopper car train. Stay tuned for other stuff too. Bye.